Hey, what's up, Chainlink Holders? So I have two good news for all of you, and also I predicate this coin. Also I share opinion. So this video is gonna be very brandy now for all Chainlink holder. So kindly must watch this video and understand better now to what we do, my friend, and what's going on especially. So first of all, congratulations all of you, my brothers, to Chainlink will wake up especially in last 24 hours and take a very huge jump now. So I am so happy. I'm so excited to see this, and I hope, my friend, you also are gonna be very happy because my brother, after a very long time, Chainlink will wake up and go in the moon now. So my brother, if this coin is moving upward now, especially in those days, so therefore make sure, my brothers, to at the end of month every craft currency will moving upward now, because my brother, especially at the end of month every craft currencies will move upward now and completely, my brother, because holder are starting investing, holder are starting buying, so therefore the coin is moving upward now. But definitely after the end of month every craft currency will very badly fails down, so therefore be alert to win, my friends. They will move upward now, and just in only you need to buy. But if they starting moving fails now, so just in only urgently, my brother, sell it. I hope they will give you a profit and you will be safe from loss now. So let's see, my brother, Chainlink holder, please like this video and subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. And my opinion is to please hold it. Remember, it's not a financial video. I just advise you, please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.